Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and today I'm at Aldi. I'm going to go grocery shopping, and this week I'm shopping for things that my husband wants to make for dinner. It's going to be a simple week of meals. I'm going to have surgery and recover. So let's get in the store, see what I'm getting and what he's making at the end of this. I actually am getting these for Christmas Day, but they've been out for a while, so just in case they go out again, $1.65. I'm going to get 2 boxes of confetti cake muffins. I normally split these between the girls' lunches, but I want them to be super simple for them to pack, so they can each have a pack this week. $2.29 a piece. I'm also going to get these for Christmas Day. I don't know if I'll be shopping again, but I want these as part of our breakfast. $2.45. A white loaf of bread for grilled cheeses this week. 85 cents. And 79 cents for hot dog buns. For hot dogs. Matt requested a garden salad mix just to go with dinners, 95 cents. I'm going to get a pack of mashed potatoes for $3.38 and a thing of mac and cheese for $2.65 for myself. I am having my tonsil surgery tomorrow. Oh no, that doesn't look good. But I need a dozen eggs. Our holiday baking has really taken off and we've made a lot of things, but we have no eggs. $1.26. $2.41 for a gallon of 2% milk. They're having a pancake dinner, so I'm getting orange juice, $3.29. I'm going to get this cold brew, $4.99, because I know I'll be drinking a lot of cold stuff, and I don't know if I'll be up for making it for myself yet. So we'll give that a whirl. This is one of the things that I was really looking forward to having a lot of was the coconut vanilla Greek yogurt, but they don't have any. I'm so sad. So my second replacement is the Greek honey yogurt. It's pretty good, but single serve coconut would have been better. This is $3.89. $2.25 for spread butter. $2.99 for mini peppers for the girls' lunches. My vegetarian daughter is almost out of steak sauce. I buy these a couple at a time, 99 cents a piece. $1.29. I'm gonna get a couple different apple sauces of cinnamon. My husband really liked these last week. And I'm gonna get the unsweetened giant one because my son likes this best. $1.95. $1.29. 58 cents. I'm getting a couple cans of black beans for my vegetarian. It's kind of her meat replacement. I'm getting 3 cans. I'm getting $2.69 a giant jar of peanut butter. My girls are going to a friend's house today to watch a movie. I'm going to send them with this cheddar and caramel popcorn. $2.25. My husband's going to make pancakes this week for dinner. $1.68. We are running low on cereals. I'm going to get Cinnamon Balance. Whoopsie. Oh my gosh. $1.65. And then also the honey wheat puffs for $2.19. My family is going to do cereal and fruit for dinner one night this week. I'm getting 3 packs of apple juice at $2.19 a piece to send with my daughter to her 4th grade holiday party. We signed up for juice boxes. My 11-year-old volunteered to make spaghetti, so I'm getting her spaghetti noodles at $1.39 and traditional sauce for $1.09. $2.19 for grated Parmesan. My 10-year-old Elsie volunteered to make extra noodle soup for dinner, and my husband's going to make grilled cheese to go with it. I used the last of my baking powder making sugar cookies yesterday, so I need more, 99 cents. I know pudding's really good for having your tonsils out, but I cheated and went to Walmart and did a pickup for Lunchables and lots of different flavors of pudding because I need more variety than chocolate and vanilla. We are out of olive oil almost, $3.89. They have my favorite jasmine rice, finally again, $4.95. They've been out for a long time. We're taking bruschetta to my in-laws, and I normally toast baguettes myself, but this looks pretty good, so I'm going to get 2 of them at $2.19 a piece. Oh, yum. So my family, I think, would really like these, so I'm going to get those. My husband probably the most. They're $3.98. It's a 12-pack of mini ice cream sandwiches. Maybe it'll feel good for my throat too, right? Lots of different yummy baking things. These look super good. Puff pastry bites. I might have to consider buying those for a family Christmas we have later this year. Mushroom pizza. They still have all the gnocchi that I got last week. Turkey meatballs. That was another thing I had to get at Walmart were meatballs. I cannot rely on them being here, and I didn't want turkey. So it looks like I made the right choice. Lots of different seafood items. Turkey, duck, ham, and ham. I'm getting 2 of the donut store blends. They're $2.95 a piece, but I have a feeling I'll be drinking a lot of coffee once I can tolerate warmth. This is super tempting, but I don't have time to prep it really. This was just marked down right in front of me, so I'm going to get it. $1 off mild sausage, so it's $1.85. I'm making biscuits and gravy for Christmas, so I'm going to get the sausage. And I'm going to get 2 cans of biscuits in case I don't shop again before Christmas. I'm going to get cheddar cheese slices for grilled cheese, $1.79. Wow, they got more Squishmallows in. They have a bunch of $8.99 ones, including the marble. Remote controlled trucks, tracks, toys, dartboards, girls' boots, a gaming Pro Cat, different family games, festive boxers. I love this. I would have loved that when my kids are very young. They have the pet clothes, but I decided not to torture our cats. They have pillows, all the signs. That is super adorable. So cute. A bunch more signs. Here's the wreath I was interested in, but it's already kind of falling apart and you can see hot glue. I just don't want to spend $10 on it. Lots of Christmas beauty in this aisle. I think these are super cute. Ceramic houses. Put a little electric tea light candle in there. It would glow. Oh, goodness gracious. Christmas inflatables. My son is obsessed with inflatables. Oh, man. And of course, all the holiday yummies. They're very well stocked on a lot of it. I'm getting a couple bags of steamed broccoli, 89 cents a piece. Easiest vegetable side ever. Frozen strawberries for strawberry sauce for the pancakes. $2.95 for a 24-ounce bag. And then I'm getting myself a thing of butter pecan ice cream in case I want ice cream or a shake. So here is my entire cart. Any guesses on my total? I spent $106. Now let's get to my husband's meal plan for the week. Okay, so this week for dinner, my husband's gonna make hot dogs and french fries, pancakes with a homemade strawberry sauce. He's gonna make grilled cheese, and my 10-year-old Elsie's gonna make the chicken noodle soup. My 11-year-old Mila is gonna make spaghetti and broccoli for dinner. They are going to his parents for a family dinner for his brother's birthday, so there's no cooking that night. They're going to have cereal and fruit for dinner one night, and then based on how the rest of the week goes, they're either gonna do carry out or leftovers. This is the meal plan. Mom has the week off as I will be resting from my tonsillectomy, and my meal plan is basically pudding, popsicles, ice cream, ice water. If you're interested in seeing how we make a pretty inexpensive breakfast dinner using fruit sauce, pancakes, and sometimes a meat, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.